Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically post to 1000 Facebook groups by keyword using a powerful automation tool. First of all, with this tool, you can manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. You can even add hundreds or thousands of Facebook accounts to the software. Next, you can add the content that you want to post. Click on the Manage Content section. First, create a category, for example, Posts for 11.11. After creating the category, click on Add Post. Then, choose the category you just created. For the post type, select Post. In the title field, just enter something simple, like Post 1, Post 2, etc., to help you manage your content more easily. Now, type in the content that you want to post, whatever you want your post to say. You can also attach images or short videos, and set the number of attachments you want. After that, click Save. Once your content is ready, go to the Post function section, choose Post to Groups. Next, set up the general configuration. For example, you can set the interval between two posts, maybe 60 to 120 seconds, meaning the software will post to one group every 1 to 2 minutes. Then, select the content you just added to the software. Enable Allow duplicate content between actions if needed. In the posting settings, you'll see 4 options. Keycap 1 Post to join groups, Keycap 2 Post by group ID, Keycap 3 Post to groups by keyword, Keycap 4 Post by a predefined group list. Today, I'll show you how to post to groups by keyword. First, set how many groups each account will post to, for example, 5 to 10 groups per account. Then, set how many posts to publish per group, maybe 3 to 5 posts. Next, enter your keywords. For example, if you're in the travel niche, use travel-related keywords. If you sell products, use relevant keywords for your business. If your accounts haven't joined those groups yet, you can enable auto-join groups. You can also let the software interact before and after posting, like leaving a comment after a post is successfully published. Finally, select your Facebook accounts and click Start. The software will automatically log in and start posting to groups for you. You can check the progress under the Action Status section. If you're interested in purchasing this software, please contact me via the information below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.